Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel MG Global. This is a residential complex situated in Rajarhat 6-lane expressway. This is New Town planning area, HITCO planning area. This project is having total 7 acres of land parcel in which we are developing only 7 towers and 65% of the total land area is completely open. We are giving you 25,000 square feet clubhouse space with a separate MLCP multi-level car parking building where you can easily car park your vehicles. There is no problem of car parking. You can avail at least one covered car parking in this project. You can opt for another one if you want, and the project is having only 2 BHK, smart 3 BHK and spacious 3 BHK option as per RERA. The project phase 1 will be handed over in 2025 December and for phase 2 it's 2026 December. So if you are looking for a nearing possession project in New Town Rajarhat location that is also with great connectivity, then this is the project I can guarantee you, because from this project we are having only 5 minutes driving distance is airport, just 2 minutes driving distance from Akanksha More metro station, just 5 minutes distance from Bishwa Bangla Gate, just 7 minutes distance from Tata Memorial Hospital, Cancer Hospital, and the IT park is just within 3 kilometer radius. The project is having excellent connectivity from New Town city center and all the nearby big schools like Delhi Public School, Amity University, everything is nearby. We are having close proximity from 5 IT parks. Yes, 5 IT parks is close proximity from the project. The project is developed by one of the most trusted builder in Kolkata. They have known for their quality construction and timely possession. They have given almost 25 plus residential project already handed over in this project, in this city of Kolkata, city of joy. As you can see, these are long living cum dining space, separate living space where you can have a 4-seater dining table place over here. Opposite to it you can easily space a TV unit this side. So it's a smart concept. When you are entering into the apartment, you can see this is main MCB box this side. Beside that, this is your AC provision here. And now when we are entering into the living space, you can also see this is the entry of your kitchen. It's a cozy kitchen space. When you are entering into the kitchen space, you can see it's a L Platinum black top counter with all electrical fittings given for your utility. Here the separate refrigerator point also given, and the kitchen is having auspiciously decorated. Because of Bastu, it's a butterfly layout apartment because no wastage in carpet area. The carpet area is apartment is 681 square feet except this balcony. So if you can catch up with the balcony, it's about a size of 34 square feet. It's a long balcony from where you can see the beauty of this apartment. It's a central view of this project where 1 acre is totally dedicated for central garden area and it's under construction right now. This is your master bedroom and that side is your kids bedroom. So let's explore your master bedroom. Beside that, this is your common washroom space with having a size of 7.5 feet by 6.5 feet, almost square in shape. Now come, welcome to your master bedroom. This master bedroom welcome you with a breeze. It's a proper ventilation in the master bedroom, almost full length window. The upper portion is openable, lower portion is fixed. Again you can see the great view of central garden area from the master bedroom itself. And beside your master bedroom, so this side is your dressing unit, this is your TV unit space, this is lot of storage space. This side you can create like this, and that side is your attached master washroom. So come and inside your master washroom, this is a beautiful golden theme master washroom with having a square shape of 6.5 feet by 7 feet, almost square in shape. And when we are entering into the master bedroom, you can see lot of walkable area. You can see after having that much of furniture, you can have that much of walkable space. So come inside this. So when you are exiting from this, this is a 4-seater dining table placed over here. So backyard of that, this is your kids bedroom with having a size of beautiful 11 feet by 11.5 feet. Again cross ventilation window and the main window. The project is very good proximity from all the cities of Newtown, all the happening centers of Newtown, the project pricing starts from only 8,000 rupees per square feet on carpet area. For more details, please contact us. Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. See you soon. Goodbye.